Ano daw po ba talaga ang purpose ng buhay kung bakit ginawa ng Diyos?
Ay, mayroon. Napakagandang tanong niyan. What is the meaning of life? What is the purpose of life? Napakaganda po niyan. Kung ang itinatanong mo, if your question refers to life on earth, because there are two lives in the Bible. I have to clarify this first. We have two lives. The first is the temporary life we have on earth, and the next is the everlasting life that is after the resurrection. Ngayon, ano ba ang purpose of life? The best answer is recorded in the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 13. It says,
Let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God and keep His commandments, for this is the whole duty of man.
have you noticed that? Let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. This is the conclusion of everything that exists. Everything we do, everything we enjoy in life, everything that we have, every resources that God have given us, the conclusion is this, that we have to fear God and obey His commandments, for it is the whole duty of man. Ito ang wakas ng bagay. Lahat ay narinig. Ikaw ay matakot sa Diyos, sundin mo ang kanyang mga utos, sapagkat ito ang buong katungkulan ng tao. Sa Kastila, ang sabi ron, el fin de todo el sermon es oído. Teme a Dios y guarda sus mandamientos, porque esto es toda la felicidad del hombre. Wala nang ibang dahilan ng buhay, kundi tayo kumilala sa Diyos. After all, He is our Maker, He is our God, He is our provider, and He is our judge. Yun ang gagawin natin. That's the most important thing in life, to acknowledge the existence of that great Creator who have created us, and to do His will, so that we will enjoy life eternal after the resurrection. There is another life.